McAllister Athletics is building towards excellence.
It's building to be the best individual, the best team, the best school that we can be.
We're caring and serving, challenging, coaching our students in a better way every single day.
There's no better way to learn about lessons of life than playing the sport that you love and learning how to be a great teammate.
It has taught me so many different skills and given me so many different friendships and characteristics that I hold dear to myself.
How to persevere, how to manage a schedule, how to lead.
Community building, team building, and to empathize with others.
That we work hard every day. We represent the college with pride and excellence.
Controlling what we can in life, having passion, and being a great teammate.
All these are skills that I can bring with me into my career, my friendships, me being a human in the world.
Our students truly believe that they can change the world. Athletics becomes an incubator for them to build themselves as lifelong leaders.
As an individual and a teammate, as a brother, as a family member, it's grown me in all different aspects in life.
It's our job as coaches to make sure that they're healthy, successful, and thriving in all areas of their life.
McAllister Athletics is truly an experience that creates life bonding relationships.
Although we're different teams, it doesn't feel as though we're separate. It feels like we're one big team working together towards a common goal.
Please support McAllister student athletes.
Show up to support us on I Heart McAllister Athletics Day. Show up to games and cheer our student athletes on. Watch us on our free online streams of all of our home competitions.
Puts in perspective what we do here is bigger than ourselves, right?
All of your financial support will help us as we keep working with student athletes to give them the best experience possible.
Helping our students explore how sport supports the mission of McAllister.
Go Scots!
Go Scots!
More oomph.
Go Scots!
Go Scots!
Thank you.
We are McAllister.